I mean, it was so bad I would wake myself up.
I've tried everything.
Estimates suggest that as many as 73 million people in the U.S. have a snoring problem. What a shame, when the solution is so easy. Pure Sleep. Co-inventor Dr. Douglas Fenton explains how Pure Sleep works.
Snoring occurs when your airway relaxes and the tissue in your throat vibrates. Pure Sleep uses a technique called mandibular repositioning, which holds your jaw forward, gently opening the airway to stop your snoring.
The first night he used Pure Sleep, he stopped snoring.
Pure Sleep worked for us the very first night. Pure Sleep is only 2 payments of $29.95 plus shipping and handling. If you're not satisfied for any reason, return it within 30 days for a full refund, including shipping and handling both ways.
Call 1-800-220-1534. That's 1-800-220-1534. Call now.